Made our way back to Toy Story Land. We have a lightning scheduled time for 1 o'clock for Slinky Dog Dash. So come along, it should be pretty fun. In the lightning lane, on my way back. I don't know how quick it's going to be. I know that's the standby, and as you can tell, it's pretty packed. It goes all the way up over on the other side of the bridge. Now, we've done this ride several times, of course, and to get the here they go, to be able to get the front row shot is really hard, because when you look, Slinky Dog's got a big old head, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to hold the camera up above it. I think what we may do is end up getting toward the back to where you can actually see it. We've been in the front before, and you do look at the Slinky Dog's head, but you know what, it still may be okay. We'll give it a shot and see how it goes.
Slinky Dog Dash. I'm Slinky Dog. Now, for your safety, remember to stay seated with all your parts and pieces, hands, arms, feet, legs, springs, and paws, inside the vehicle. And keep an eye on your little toys. Bienvenidos a Slinky Dog Dash. Por favor, permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo.
So it's taken like 6-7 minutes from the time that we checked in at the very front to get back here. And we're just a few before we get on. So lightning means lightning, right?
Trying to stay calm up here because Jessie told me it's not the time to panic. But I think this is the perfect time to panic.
Hang on, Rex! I got you, partner! Your name? Hee-hoo! Wait! Did you see that? That Slinky Dog sure is fast.
Hang on!
What?
There we go.
Who broke it?
Here we go!
It was a little congested when we first came into Toy Story Land a little while ago. Now that we got off of Slinky Dog Dash, which only took about 14 minutes total, start to finish, somewhere in that ballpark. It is slammed back here now. I think I am going to get out of Toy Story Land just for the fact it is slammed. Not complaining. I love seeing the parks like this.